Hi, I'm Pete Stanton, Delivery Manager for the Natural Resource Wales Hazardous Waste Discovery Project. We're a brand new project at CDPS, and because of that, I recently ran a kickoff session. So this video is a super quick tour of what that session was about and why it's important in any Agile project. Anyway, so a kickoff session. Well, the clue is in the name. It's a workshop that should happen no later than the first week or two of a project. In short, it's the first and best opportunity for the team to get to know each other, understand what they'll be doing, how they'll be doing it, and why they're doing it. Attendees for our session were the project core team. It lasted 3.5 hours with breaks, and we used a mural board for our virtual post-it notes. As for the session itself, it was broken into two core areas, the team and then the problem space. In that first session, we took part in a few short, fun workshops for us to get to know each other better. We then went through and agreed our roles and responsibilities, our ways of working, our working pattern, the tools we'll use, and everything really that will be the bread and butter of our day-to-day activities. After focusing on ourselves, we then looked into the problem space we're in. And in that we covered and worked together on what's in and out of scope, our discovery goals, what success looks like, and the questions we'll need to answer and how we want to start answering those questions. Finally, we decided what work we'll be doing next to start tackling this problem. From my perspective, and as I later heard from the team, the kickoff was really useful and has already helped to start getting our teeth into the project. Anyway, as promised, that is my whistle-stop tour of our project kickoff session and why I think they're important. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for more videos from our project as we move through discovery and beyond. Thanks very much.